How to turn off Meta AI on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, in this guide we'll see how to turn off Meta AI on WhatsApp. So if you don't want AI suggestions, replies or chat assistance, this guide will help you disable it completely. So just type right in and get started. We can open up WhatsApp for that and log in into your account if you're not logged in. And the thing is, Meta AI on WhatsApp is optional, so you cannot remove the AI from the app entirely, but you can turn it off for your account. So for that, once you open up WhatsApp, look out for the settings, the gear icon, or tap on the three dot in the top and select the settings from the given menu. And there, just go over and turn off that option if that option is directly available. For AI suggestions, reply prompts, AI chat features will no longer appear. Or from the main homepage itself, when you head over, if you have chatted with Meta AI, you can head over to their conversation and look out for the three dot in the top. And from there, tap on more. And you can just go over and tap on clear chat to clear out the chat. Or if you want to delete it, you can swipe or hold it up and look out for the delete option in the top of your screen. After that, just go over and confirm this chat right here, and it should turn off the Meta AI. It cannot directly be removed, but you can try out this workaround right here and try removing those, and that's it. And all messages already sent will remain in chats, but future AI suggestions are disabled. You can restart the application for changes to take the effect. And sometimes Meta re-enables AI in new versions, so you can just go over and check out the app updates, etc. as well. But usually, this is how you should be able to turn off Meta AI on WhatsApp. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.